Hey folks, this is your old pal Uncle. Just came back from a walk. I'm going to ingest my brunch type of meal. I do have my coffee. I'm flipping between 197 to 196. I am going to lose this weight and I'm getting back to shape. I'm going to show you when I can. One of my training aids. I get a cinder block and I get hemp rope, 1-inch hemp rope, and I'll slowly glue it around it. You know why? Uncle Alan likes to punch people with these knuckles. And it's fun, and I don't like to show my training stuff. And I'm going to show it to you because I learned this from an old guy. Well, he was a young guy when I met him, but I'm going to show you what I mean. It's very hard, and no, he didn't use a steel workout dummy. He used a traditional workout dummy in Kung Fu, which is hard teak work. Teak wood, sorry. First of all, got to shout out these people, especially Ontario Prepper. I was wondering what the hell happened to him about a year ago, and I found out. YouTube took him off my list. That pisses well, I can't say that word because it isn't polite, but that makes me mad as hell. I understand why Steve's so mad sometimes. They took a whole bunch of my video, channels I like to watch. All right, sick as I am, and I try to keep up and get in shape. I'm retired. I'm beat up. I'm old. Okay? Yeah, I'm going to keep this one short because Uncle Alan doesn't feel good and I'm taking tranks. They gave me tranquilizers. It'll calm you down. I have a temper. This is why I don't have any belts. And two, if I'm really angry, you run the other way. You have a choice. Dracula, Jason, Freddy, the little Chucky doll, run the other way. Okay, and I think, where's Bob? Bob, the middle guy right here. Okay, I'm doing a shout out for him later, so. But this one's for Ontario Homestead. All right, and I heard you about the call outs stuff and what are you going to do for this coming year? Well, things are getting a little bad. I can't say the other word, but I'm getting the hell out of here. All right, I told my family, if you want to do something, go over to my sister's house. I could walk over there. It's only a quarter of a mile. Okay, you go over there. It's a bigger house. I have a modest little house. That's one of my tricks. Most of my family, you could buy a big house with 2-car garage. I bought a little house with 2-car garage because guess who didn't? Tired. I live in a modest house. I have modest furnishings. I know what I'm doing. That's why Uncle Alan's going to be rich again. And a lot of people are like, but Uncle Alan, you're broke. You're on Medicaid and Medi-Cal and all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm broke, but I'm not poor. I'm not stupid. Okay? First thing is to educate your mind. All right? I always enjoy watching Ontario Homesteads. Loads of fun. Okay? Second thing is, I know how to make money. By hook or by crook. So a lot of people always look at me, what the hell that means? You don't want to know. Okay? And a lot of people questions my background. That's fine. Go ahead, question. All right? Don't care. I'm too old and too tired. So I'm going to make my money, head to Canada, probably not, I'll be in Alberta. And I've been to Ontario. It's too cold for me. And what I reason around that area, good luck. I'm going to head to Alberta, and I'm closer to British Columbia and Saskatchewan. I know those places. I like those places. And hopefully we either become a free state of Buffalo or we join the United States. Okay? Hey, we got a lot of benefits in Alberta. but people are kind of slow. I think it's the cold. I'm going to use Alberta as business, this province of Alberta. And then I'm going to probably use Nevada at the three corners, probably as a jump point for United States. I'm going to be an expat. So a lot of people are like, huh? But Uncle Alan, you're broke and you wear ratty clothes. I wear good ratty clothes from thrift stores. Okay, I got to keep this short. I'm going to keep it under 6 minutes. So think about it. Uncle Alan has a plan. I always have a plan. And this is plan H, Hades. Okay, a lot of people like wonder, what the hell's Hades? Leave California, go to Nevada to near the 3 points, and then head over to Canada, put some money in a bank, get my Canadian citizenship, go over to Japan, set up another camp or base or safe house over there, head to the Philippines, have another safe house set up and based over there. All these are hooked together, and I'm going to have an e-business. Brick and mortar is done. I have to be mobile, and I have to be mobile, and I have to be quick. You have to be sharp and quick. A lot of you guys are a little slow. And this is from a person who suffered 2 strokes and a few seizures. 5 or 6, I can't remember. That's why I'm going to doctors on Friday. 3 doctors. Because they don't trust me. They said it's affecting your vision, your mind. You're hallucinating. This is why I'm giving you tranquilizers. I got 4 sets of tranquilizers here. Okay, this is why I'm pounding down coffee all the time. So anyway, that's it. Be sure to check out this folk right here. Okay, because Uncle Alan's had it. But Uncle Alan, you're leaving a nice house and your fruit trees are coming in. I don't take chances. Bye, folks.